Did you know the first person to die? In the Resistance. Against the British was a black man named Crispus Attucks. Born around 1723 in Framingham, Massachusetts, was a man of African and Native American, likely Wampanoag descent. Historical records suggest he was enslaved by Deacon William Brown before escaping in 1750. Following his escape, Attucks worked as a sailor and dockworker, often using the alias Michael Johnson to avoid detection. On March 5, 1770, tensions between British soldiers and Boston colonists escalated into a violent confrontation known as the Boston Massacre. Attucks was at the forefront of the crowd that confronted the soldiers. He was the first to be shot and killed, making him the first casualty of the incident. The aftermath of the massacre saw the soldiers involved put on trial, with future U.S. President John Adams serving as their defense attorney. Adams described the crowd, including Attucks, as a motley rabble of saucy boys, negros and mulattoes, Irish teagues, and outlandish jack tars. Despite the defense's characterization, the event fueled anti-British sentiments and was instrumental in galvanizing colonial resistance. Attucks and the other victims were buried in Boston's Granary Burying Ground, an honor that underscored their perceived martyrdom for the cause of liberty. Over time, Attucks became a symbol of African American patriotism and sacrifice. In 1888, a monument was erected on Boston Common to commemorate him and the other victims of the massacre. Please share, like, and subscribe. May the rest of your life be the best of your life. www.oransbooks.com, Oranz.